Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.
Yo, what is up, you guys? Let me make sure the camera's looking on me correctly. What's up, guys? What's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning, and good afternoon to whoever is in a different time zone than I am. What's up, guys? I was just waiting for my coffee to finish up. So it's looking like gold has just completely ran through so much liquidity overnight. This is gold. What I'm looking at right now is gold. Wow. So let's see here. If we ran through so much liquidity to the upside, what's the probability of us continuing higher? Probably not so high. So what I would want to see, though, to continue higher is to see some type of resistance formed. But we do have 9:30 open. This is the 30-minute time frame currently. This is a 30-minute time frame that I'm looking at. So this is gold. Let me look at NAS. Okay, let's look at NAS. Hold on. Just let me look at gold real quick. So I would like to see some downside for gold. If we're creating a high, maybe we can come down a bit to make a new low. All right, so let's look at NQ. This is NQ. NQ. All right, so NQ is obviously looking like it's trying to come down here because we obviously have a that's exactly what looked like it's trying to form, right? It looks like we're trying to form exactly this. We have been rejecting to go higher. To Took a nice trade on NQ not too long ago. Still like that. This is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, looks good there. All right, so in between this zone, these two zones, probably bounce around a bit because that is exactly what we've been doing. We came up, we came down, we broke through, but then we came back up into the zone, came back up into this zone, came down, and now it's looking like we're trying to break through again. So we closed past this little level here, this support level. So we could see a nice retest to go lower. So let's come down to the 15. This is now the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to go to the 8 o'clock candle, mark up the 8 o'clock candle. This is going to be my New York Open. Okay, so we already had a nice huge break below. Since gold has been pretty much moving all night, I don't know if we'll get too much of any type of movement just yet for New York Open. Probably need to consolidate a bit before we see movement. So maybe we can focus on NQ today. Because let me see something. Let me just bring up gold on the other. Okay, so we took out the Asia low as well. We didn't take out the London high. We took out Asia lows for NQ. So maybe we come up first before we go back down. But it's looking like we want to go short for NQ. It's looking like we want to go short for NQ. So yeah, let's see gold over here. What I want to see is gold come back below this line right here, this key level here. So I am going to place a alert here. Hold on. I want to put the alert on the 30. Okay, so now I don't really have to look at it until we get some type of alert that closes back below this level. If we can close back below here, I will be interested in taking some shorts to go lower. But for now, I would rather wait to see the 4 hour candle close. This is the 4 hour time frame right now. If the 4 hour closes above this level, this structure, maybe we can see some more longs, possibly a bounce. And if we close above here today on gold, we should see higher. We should see higher. Probably some type of retest from here to go higher. Yeah, let's watch NQ right now because 9:30 is about to open, and that's when most of the volume for NQ comes in. So let's see. But yeah, we have a lot of downside for NQ. So let's see, guys. Not yet. I'm gonna see. Nothing yet. This is the 1 minute time frame. Just gotta wait for that confirmation. Let's see, where are London highs? London highs are sitting right here. So if we can take out London, if we do take out London highs, we could see some shorts, or maybe NQ wants to go into all-time highs again. Because we took out Asia lows, could be making a new higher low. Da, da, da. Gotta see how much I can do with this. Great projections. Here. We've been respecting this level. So if we can continue to respect this level, we should see a lot lower. This is the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly high, obviously. All-time highs. This 4-hour candle closes in 26 minutes and it's flipping. So I don't know. Seems like we had a lot of volume pre-open, pre-New York. All right, so we're inside London Open, well, outside of London Open and New York Open, so it's looking really fucking bullish. But since we did have a push up like that, we could see a nice drop. Maybe off of these London highs here. It's kind of a nice reaction off these London highs. Let's see if I enter. If we can break this low, I might get in. Just gotta see, because geez, that's such a strong candle. So taking shorts would be a little risky here. Jeez, we are in such a bull market. Such a bull market. All right. No. It could just be best to wait. Yeah, I think it's going to be best to wait another 30 minutes from 10 o'clock for the 4 hour to open. Yeah, not shit happening, guys. This is gold. Like I said, we pushed up. We had a really big push overnight, so we need to have some type of consolidation. So we might consolidate here a little bit, just a little bit before we see our next breakout. Jeez. NQ just made all-time highs again. Of course it did. Of course it did. If we can close below here, all-time highs, honestly, I'd really like us to close back below London highs. But if we can close below all-time highs on, I guess maybe the next 30, because this candle is just, it's very bullish. But yeah, I'd like to close below on at least a higher time frame, at least the 15, 30, or the 1 hour. I mean, everything's closing in, even the 4 hours closing in 21 minutes. So it's honestly just best to wait. Let's just wait, guys. I'd rather just wait for a closure below all-time highs for NQ before taking my shorts, because I need an area of validated stop loss. But oh wow, it's already kind of pushing already. Let's look left here. Last time we came up to all-time highs, this is the last time we came up to all-time highs. Okay, so we pushed down and we continue staying lower. This is pretty much what I want to see. I want to see this. Failed to seek the high. Let's see how long it took. This happened at 9:30 as well, actually. So it's not rejecting just yet. I'm going to change this really quickly. I just realized it was showing the wrong dollar amount. Yeah, see, this is why. Don't short all-time highs. Not this one, at least. Not yet. We need some type of resistance formed first. And this thing keeps just pumping. It's just pumping. I made this last night. Just a pumping. Well, I'm gonna grab my coffee really quickly. Oh, Tony, if you're here, bro, I'll do you a solid and I'll make you an IG account on my own shit. I will make you an IG. I will enter for you, bro. Just I don't know. Give me an email that you want me to link it up to, and I'll make a password and help you out. Help you help me. Let's see here. Nothing's really happening, boys. God damn. This is not normal. These are market makers. This is a buy higher kind of situation. Yo, is anybody into crypto or anything? I am such a dumbass. I pulled out of XRP when it hit like $3 or so a few months ago, and then I never looked at it again. I kind of forgot about it, to be honest. Kind of forgot about that shit. Oh, and I think I bought at maybe like 55 cents, something like that. I think I bought XRP at 55 cents and then started just adding into it, and then my average kind of jumped up to almost $2. So, but now I'm looking into GRT, the graph, because the graph moves with Ethereum. As Ethereum continues to rise, the graph should start to rise. And right now the graph is trading at like 12 cents. Its all-time high was in 2021, I believe. Yeah, 2021 at $2.90. And right now it's trading at 12 cents. I got in at 11 cents. I think I got in right as it hit 11 cents. So right now it's already at 12 cents. I think I literally got in yesterday. Was it yesterday or 2 days ago? It was either yesterday or 2 days ago. So I'm going to let that one grow. Trying to find the cryptos with a lower market cap right now that has the ability to grow. I'm also about to start buying stocks. Sorry, guys. I just blew that all in the camera. Dividend stocks. Not just stocks, but dividend stocks, so I can start getting paid monthly through dividends. God damn, look at NQ. She's just going. Sheesh. It definitely did not want lower. That's a little fake the fuck out. How the fuck do you even expect to get into something like this? And this is gold. Gold is just pumping too. Sheesh. I called that shit. Although I didn't fully hold. So we corrected this entire spike that we had. For stock purchase, Fidelity. I'm using Fidelity or Fidelity, however you want to say it. I keep blowing smoke right in the camera. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Like, how do we catch any of this? Let's see if we can catch some of it. I guess we could have gotten it right there, but there wasn't even a bottom wick that was made. We're not wicking at all. We're just... All right, Tony, I got you, bro. Wait. I thought you said you can't download anything, Tony. That doesn't even make sense. Why would I send you the link if you can't download it? Well, I'll send it. Hold on. Let me log in real quick. La, la, la. I don't think I even put the link in the Discord. Hold on. Hold the phone. Because I think I can, like... send referrals or whatever. All right, I'm gonna send it to you, Tony. It's still all connected. Good morning, Kayden. Hope I didn't miss anything. Just had to have dinner for my mind to function better. Yeah, you're good, bro. You're good. What's up, dude? I know it's late for you. It's 9:50 a.m. here for me. I'm getting my tablet fixed this week, finally. Well, that's good, bro. I'm trying to find the fucking... Tap the hamburger on the profile. Excuse me. God damn. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure something out. All good. All good here, damn. I always wish to make it before market open, but that's okay, bro. I mean, you didn't really miss anything. All we did was go to all-time highs with no type of entry. We didn't have any kind of entry that we could have worked with, but based off of my strategy, unless we were just guessing and hoping that it went in our direction, and that's not what we're doing. So we missed it, but I really don't care that we missed it because nothing really presented itself for me to have taken the entry. I'd be more upset if something presented itself and then I missed that, but there was nothing that really presented itself. So you didn't really miss anything, brother. Sorry, Tony. I'm trying to find something, bro, and it's like maybe I'm just not eligible yet or something. Well, I'll just show it to you because I'm trying to find the like referral link or whatever, but I don't know. But I'll send it to you later. I actually wanted to purchase some stocks real quick. I was trying to do it over the weekend, and I was like, oh, wait a minute, it's not open yet. I was like, it's not Monday yet. Wanted to buy some, I'll tell you guys what I'm buying. What the fuck? Alright, I guess I'll have to do that fucking later. So if we can form some type of resistance for gold, I will be looking for shorts, but it doesn't look like it's going to really happen, at least within the next 5 minutes. So probably another 15-minute wait. So the 4-hour candle is about to open in 4 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to buy some stocks with, but I have to do it later because it's giving me an issue right now. It was giving me an issue last week trying to deposit some funds, but I don't know why. I got to email them or something. I wonder if I can call them. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm going to be buying some stocks in dividends, 4 dividend stocks. And maybe I can just place it on the screen. I'll be buying these. I'll just write them down. Vanguard, iShares, and I'll be sharing the ticker symbol. JP Morgan, Schwab. So yeah, I'm gonna be buying some stocks there, buying some shares in those. So I can start receiving payment every single month. They will pay you to buy their stock. So why the fuck not? Right? Why not? As long as it's a good stock, it's dependable, it's reliable, it's strong. I know Johnson and Murphy is a good one. I don't know if they have dividends, but they're good. That's a strong one. Why? Because it's baby related. It's baby related. Strong medical stock. Not much happening, guys. It's kind of boring today. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Well, 1 minute, really. I guess I'll just send it by electronic funds transfer. This is NQ, guys. This is you getting them too? Hell yeah. Let's get it. All right, if we can break this high, so we're breaking the high. Here's a new 4-hour high. Let's break the high, then reject. Then maybe we can start looking for some type of structure to form so that we can take shorts on NQ. This is gold. We don't have to break the high on gold, although it would be a lot better. But now we have to wait really to form some type of resistance on gold. So at least 15 minutes for gold, at least 15 minutes for NQ. So we just broke the high. Looks good. Let's come back lower, close below. Okay. Put an alert there. Where'd the NQ thing go? Ow, my stomach. Sheesh. Not the coffee already. I like that we came up first to break the high. I would love to see us come back down. For NQ. NQ. That's crazy. That's only 210 ticks. That's it. We went to all-time highs and only went up. This looks so large. Oh, my stomach. Oh, God. I gotta call my bank. Oh, gosh. Sweet cheeks. Looks like we're trying to respect the high that we have created after taking out this 4-hour high. Looks like we're trying. So gold is now broken this high. But gold closed past here pretty strong. So it's just so hard to tell sometimes. When it's pushing so bullish like that, it's like, man, I can't take any shorts until I see some type of resistance formed. And there's no resistance that's look like it's trying to be formed here on gold. Nada. Nada, ma. Nada. Shit. Let's see if we want to get these shorts for NQ. It's looking like it's trying to happen here. Let's see. I want to look at this 5 as well. If I do take it, it's going to be super small risks. Super small. Oh, I was like, why does that look the same? I thought this was the 5. Okay. Okay, well, we created a small resistance on the 5. This looks pretty good, actually, guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and slowly start. Let's scale in a bit here. It's pushing. I'm going to do 10. Where am I in at? Let me see. I'm risking. It's a little risky, guys. It's a little risky. But if this 15 can flip, we should be good. This is a 100K account, by the way. It's a 100K account. So let me see where my fucking entry is. 23384. Let's see. So it's like 710 here. All right, a little risky, but we're doing it. We're doing it. Or at least I'm doing it. Oh, okay. See, that's the thing about this little position thing. Okay, there we go. All right. If it hits me out or takes me out, then oh well. It's risky as fuck because we're at all-time highs. But I risk less than 1% for this account, so I'm like completely okay with it. And I'm risking a little bit of profits I made overnight, so let's see what happens. Very fucking risky, so hopefully nobody took that shit, but if it's correct, that's why I made my stops super tight. Only 17 ticks. I mean, not 17, 71 ticks, 17 points. So it's looked like it might want to take me out though. We're so bullish. We're so bullish. But anything could happen. This stop loss could be completely respected to the tick. So let's see what happens if it takes me out or not. Oh, well. I get stopped out here. Gold is being gold. Yeah, bro, it's gold is being gold. Okay, there we go. Well, I just got stopped out there. Very authentic trading, huh? Wow. Wow. Yeah, gold is doing gold things. Yeah, that's why I'm like, they're all doing their own thing. They're all doing their own thing. All right, if this 5 can close as a resistance, but now the 15 closed, we're coming up. There's still no bottom wick. Okay, well, I guess it's best to just wait. Yes, it is a proven strategy, sir. I wouldn't necessarily say I always do this for all-time highs because I really don't. That's why I said it was very risky, and I am risking low amounts, but risking less than 1%. So maybe my 1% is higher than your 1%, but yeah, I've gotten plenty of payouts and passed plenty of combines, if that's what you're asking me. It's a nice doji, but just so risky. I'm being a little risky today on the all-time highs. Close past here. Okay, so if we close past here, that means we're closing past that on the 5. So then maybe now is time to short. But I gotta wait for that 5. 1 minute left. 1 minute 40 seconds. Just to give me that extra confo. Oh, thank you, Tony. I appreciate you, Tony. Yeah, if we see, we'll be closing past here. If we can close past here, that'll be enough for us to at least come down to here. But I need to see a little bit more confo. $50 seconds, and I'll probably jump back into shorts here if it gives me what I want. I don't know why it always switches like that. I'm only trading one account here, so. Gold's still pumping. It's crazy. Asia was the low of the day. Still nothing. I create a resistance though on the 5, so that's good. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Did you guys see that? What the fuck was that? Whoa. All right. I don't know if this is a day to trade, guys. This might be a day to sit out. This might be a day to sit out of the markets. What the fuck was that spike? Or just wait for that shit to calm down, especially for gold. Gosh, it's just going. Sheesh. God damn, what was that spike? Let's see, that was like, God damn. This is crazy. God damn. The only way really is like closure back below these levels. This would be it. Wherever, don't know where the stops would be for this, but this would be target 1. And then if we break below here, we could see lower, way lower. It's coming though. It's coming. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, guys. We're going to catch that shit. And if we don't, oh well, I'm just going to get off. But I'll be on for about another 30 minutes. Maybe till 11:30. A lot of the times, shit always plays out right at 11:30, like right after I get off. And it's one of the most annoyingest things. Dang, Dogecoin. Dogecoin just hit 28 cents, guys. Is anybody in Dogecoin? I should have bought more of it. But yo, the graph is almost at 13 cents already, dude. I just bought that shit. Yeah, it was 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Saturday. GRT. Missed the BTC bandwagon. Was too much of an amateur way back when it was like during COVID times. Man, how much was it during COVID? My brother made some bank off of BTC during COVID. He used his stimulus check, put all of it into BTC, and then boom, like a few days later, or not even, he made hella money. I was like, damn it. He's like, I told you. I was like, damn it. Man, gold is still pumping. That's crazy. When are we going to have some type of pullback? Buy US 30? I don't trade US 30. What about ES? What's ES doing? Well, the S&P is also at all-time highs. Of course. So we are about 30 minutes into the 4-hour candle. I'm expecting Hopefully the next 30 to close as a resistance, or the next 15. If the next 15 can close as a resistance, hopefully the 30 should follow and then close as a resistance, and then the 1 hour should follow, and then the 4 hour should follow. So if that can play out, that's exactly what I want to see. Damn, Dogecoin's on the rise. Man, imagine Dogecoin at $5, guys. $5. I think my brother, I think he was really buying Dogecoin when it was super low. I think like 1 cent. He was buying it around 1 cent and shit like that. NQ's up like a shooting star with no bottom wick. That scares me for the buy. Wanted to see wick form. Want to see sells on NQ before buying. Yeah, bro. We are overextended. We are extremely overextended. So I want to see some type of resistance formed so we can take shorts to create a new low. And then possibly look for more longs. But I'm thinking the longs are done for the day. Now we're going to be looking for shorts. Longs started way earlier during Asia. And from 9:30 open. God, it just kept pumping. Let me see. Let's see how much it's pumped since 9:30. It has pumped since 9:30 New York Open. We have pumped 170 points, 681 ticks. God damn. And that's only from 9:30, guys. That's been in 1 hour. In 1 hour, we pumped 170 ticks. Points. 170 points. Goddamn. Wow. It's crazy because you put money in years ago. If that comes back, oh my. You put money in Dogecoin? When did you buy it? Like what price was it at when you bought it? Because I was late to the bandwagon again. I got it at 19 cents. Man, Ethereum, guys. Ethereum has really pretty much doubled its price within, what, a month or two? Gosh. Wow. I was looking at it too, and it was at around like 1,600. I'm still a little new to the crypto realm, so still really learning how the crypto really. These days, I'm not sure, but I have been noticing moves happening most of the time at post London. Hate to say it, but I'm not a time machine. Can't say it and can't stay in the charts for too long. My spine feels like 40 years old. No, that's fine, bro. That's completely fine. Like, if you are setting your time from London Open and you're only on there for like 2 hours, or you're on there from pre-London, on there for about a few hours, that's okay. If you don't catch your move and it plays out after, that's fine, bro. That happens to me a lot too when I get off for New York. I get off around 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then the trade plays out like 30 minutes later, dude. And it's really frustrating. But like you said, I can't just sit here. I can't. So normally though, I will put an alert sometimes. Sometimes I do kind of forget to put an alert, but 5 years ago in August, damn, how much did you buy? I hope you bought a good amount or have at least been adding since then, because damn. Let me see. 5 years ago in August. Let me see. So oh wow, you got in really low, dude. Holy hell. You got in before it was even at 1 cent. Damn. Look at it now. Shit's probably quadrupled 10x, 100x, 500x. Sheesh. And we are still fucking pumping. Come on, let's break this high and then start flipping. Oh my gosh, guys. It's just never ending today. There's no entry for anything. Fuck. My partner matched me. We thought it was dead. Hey, at least you still held that bitch. Good for you, bro. Good for you. That will definitely pay off in the long run. I don't think Dogecoin is over, bro. I think it's just beginning, man. AI is the future and it's near. It's pretty much already here. AI crypto is a new thing, man. So hold your Doge. Obviously, it's not an AI crypto, but with it being surrounded around Elon Musk is a huge AI fan, right? So just hold on to it, bro. And then hit me up later. Yeah, I think Doge is about to boom really soon. Go above where it was in December, or was it like almost 50 cents in December? God damn it. XRP, fuck. That's a definite FOMO for XRP, bro. I caught that shit at the bottom and then I closed. I caught that shit at 55 cents. And then I closed at around like $3. Ugh. Why did I do that? I mean, I just got a quick pump of it, but damn. I know it's been here, but now it's even more. It's even more, dude. Like there are some restaurants here. It's usually the Asian restaurants. Kind of funny. It's usually the Asian ones. But there are some robotic servants. They come and they just give you your order. They don't take your order, but they give it to you. Crazy. And it's always in the Asian places. And then Bojangles, I don't know if it's there yet where you are, but here where I live, Bojangles and Taco Bell too, they take your order now on the screen. Like there's no more human interaction. I mean, there can be, because they're listening to you, and if they see you struggling or hear you struggling, they might, interfere. But Bojangles is now taking your order through AI. Taco Bell, I don't know any other place right now, but they're coming, man. They're coming. These fucking gnats, bro. I hate gnats in the summer. Okay, what's gold doing? It's so bullish. It's not doing shit. Are you trading funded? Yeah, but this one that I'm on right now is not. Because I just started doing my own thing with a company for myself, so I can't say too much on that. Hold on. However, you can join the Discord and hear all about it. Discord is completely free, by the way. We do have a little something going on in the Discord right now, a little special something going on in the Discord. So if you guys want to join, you can find out all about it. But you got to join the Discord to find out about the little special something. It's looking pretty good now. I'm going to try shorts one more time in a second here. $71 ticks. Well, because we're making new higher lows. Damn, Tony. You are fucking it up, bro. You really want to make me go back to Forex, to be honest. Tony really makes me want to go back to Forex sometimes. I just like Forex a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start entering now here. Two, three, 4, 06, 77. Hold on, let me see my risk real quick. So this 15 is about to close in 1 minute, so it's looking really good. I have some room to add, and I kind of want to add. I want it to come a little bit higher for the 15 when the 15 opens. Probably add on the creation of the 15 top wick, and yeah. Yep. See lower to at least create the bottom wick here. Oh, okay. I put a sell limit and it already got activated earlier than I wanted it to. Okay, so all I'm doing is targeting down here. All right. I'm going to bring it to the bottom of this 30-minute wick or 30-minute candle here. We have so much room below, so if this starts to drop, well, we could probably drop pretty hard. Yeah, that's what I want. About 125 ticks, 31 points is the target here. Let's see. About 50 ticks here. It's not enough for me just yet. Maybe trim around here, 23,388. Okay, I'm going to trim 7 there. I'm just going to close this up. That position thing just keeps switching and it's kind of annoying, so I'm just going to leave that one. Go ahead and close some here, guys. I'm closing 7 there. Gold is dropping too, guys. Gold is dropping too. Let's see it. Let's see it. All right, I'm closing 4 more there. I just closed 4. Now I have 9 running. I'm actually gonna, I really want to leave these stops a bit higher. Because yeah, I see us coming at least all the way down to here, guys. So maybe we'll get another entry though. Maybe I can get some added entries here. No top wick on the 15, so we could just drop. Damn, Ethereum is just pumping, bro. Wow. Just keep getting notifications left and right about Ethereum, man. What is this? The 30? Okay, so the 30 is closing in 9 minutes. Thinking probably on the next 30 we'll grab all of this liquidity. If this 5 closes below here, we should be good to come all the way down. Go ahead and let's see. Should I close 5 more? It's looking pretty sexy, guys. All right, I'm gonna close 5 more here. Let's see. Let's let the rest rock. Yeah, they're a real prop, Tony. I've heard good things. I've heard people get payouts with them, so pretty sure they're a good prop. Let's go break. I'm gonna go break even. Now we could come up here, create a top wick on this 15, and then start coming back down again. So if we do that, then let's see what happens. Because the 1 hour is about to close in 5 minutes, and the 1 hour is still closing bullish. So this could just be just an area of resistance that we are creating so that we can push up higher. So I'm gonna go break even and see what we can do. Oh my tummy. 76 tickety tocks. All right, I may add here again when the 30 opens. I just might. Just want to see how it opens and what it's doing. Because we still don't have a bottom wick here on the 1 hour. So we could come down at least to make a bottom wick. That's really what I want for TP. But we're creating some nice equal highs here. So could see a lot lower. You're having the hardest time with the bullshit KY. Oh, I don't know nothing about that. What's Trustpilot say? That's where I always go. What's Trustpilot say? ¿Qué carajo? Oh. Um, I'm just gonna leave it. I'll be right back though. I gotta really use the bathroom. I've been holding it for a minute. You're funded. Excuse me. I'm gonna bring stops to here because now whoops, I brought stops to here because now we pretty much creating a little consolidation box right in here. So if we break back above here, because we already closed below this little level here, if we break back above, maybe we'll see something like this. And then we go lower after we break. Maybe. If we don't break below here now, hopefully on this 5-minute candle, then we could come up a bit more. All right, I'm going to be scaling, just continuing to drop down my stop loss right here. Or not scaling, trailing. I said scaling. I'll close 3 here. And then let's see what one con can do. I mean, it's just one contract, so. Damn, baby. $376 is where it is right here. To create the bottom wick of this candle. Go ahead and close 3 now. Okay. Only 1 left. Just 1. Nice trade. Nice trade. But if we break below here, honestly, we have so much clean range down below. So much. Yeah, so my stops are still right above here for this last con. But yeah, after that hits break even, if it does, I'm gonna be getting off. I'm going to be getting off. It's a great trade. It's a great trade, guys. Any dubs? All right, so break even just got hit, or well, not break even, but stops just got hit. So nice win there. Tony, did you check out what Trustpilot says? You be catching. Hey, I be catching, bro. And then let's look at gold real quick, because I don't really trade on the 5 right too much, but since we've been pumping so much, I think it would be smart to trade on a lower time frame. But yeah, if we can break below here for gold, which is in 2 minutes, we could see us come all the way down here. So maybe I'll take one more, but maybe I won't. But I'm getting off though. Thank you, Tony. You took that shit? Did you take that shit, bro? It was a great trade. That was a great trade. Let's see. Yeah, so you guys see what I'm doing for gold here. If this is a 5-minute chart. Let me change it over. 5-minute chart. So if we close below here on the 5, I'll be looking to take shorts to go lower to target all the way back down here, or at least to the top of the range right here. That's kind of a lot of pips. So might be a stretch, but we've been pumping up so much that it would make sense as we are creating resistance. It would make sense. So that's what I'm looking at for gold, guys. But I'm done for the day. And if you guys do want to join the Discord, it is completely free. Continue to grow with us. And we have a special little something going on in the Discord, but you have to be in the Discord to even know about it. So there's the link. Join it up. And it's looking like gold is about to close. I might take this trade, actually. But I'm getting off still. I'm not going to stay on. but I need to see if I want to take it real quick before I do get off. I kind of do want to take it. So what is that? 22. So I'm gonna say. I don't know why it's always like that. I'm in for gold though, guys. I'm already in for gold. All right, well, I'm still on, so I might as well just fucking stay on. Might as well, but I kind of really want to get off. So I think I will, guys. But yeah, I've entered into gold. This is my target down here. Yeah, that's it. Bada boom, bada bing. I'll probably trim around maybe 25 pips and then go break even and let the rest run. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. I'll be on tomorrow for New York session. And have a good rest of your trading session, guys. Take care. Bye.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.